I am Elowyn of the Guardians of Nature. My beloved sister Eleanor is always nearby. It is as if we are two halves of the same coin. But for now, I have your attention. So to introduce myself, I wish for you to feel the love, the unconditional love that I have for you, for humanity. We have been witnessing you for aeons. We have seen the comings and the goings. We have seen civilizations crumble. We have witnessed and we have noticed mistakes, misunderstandings, miscommunications, taking the turning perhaps that was not of the greatest benefit. But now we are in a position where we are able to assist you, to maybe guide you with our energy, with our unconditional love for you. We wish for you to do well, to thrive. We wish for you to take a walk a while with us. We wish for you to smell the flowers, to notice the sunset, the sunrise, to be still enough to hear the hum of the trees. For indeed they hum. For you to envelop yourself in the healing hum of the bees. To be in awe of the delicacy and the exquisite beauty of the butterfly. For you to notice the plants. For you to notice the animals. For you to experience their sentience. For you to understand that they exist with you. They are not separate from you. We wish for you to experience the earth, this magnificent planet that you inhabit, in a new way. There are many of you upon the earth who are already awake and aware of nature's importance, of the beauty of Mother Earth, of the exquisite presence of Gaia. But there is always more, and we want for you to come with us, to gain a greater understanding, and for you to heal those places within where you have come to believe something other than the truth, that you are truly magnificent, that you are worthy of your place upon the earth. And as you work with us, as you allow us to enter your hearts and your lives, we will show you your own beauty. We will assist you to find your voice, to raise your song to the heavens, to hear the music of the spheres, to dance with Mother Nature, to paint in a way that has not yet been possible, because that which is now in a process of opening has as yet been closed. This is a new awakening. And the guardians who have been here from the beginning are here to guide you should you choose. I am Elowyn of the Guardians of Nature, and with my beautiful brothers and sisters, we welcome you as our realms begin to merge, as you begin to get a greater sense of our isness, of our beingness, if you will, for want of a better way to describe it. As you become aware that we are real. For now we are figments of your imagination. We are a sparkle in the wonder of a child. The children know, they sense, they feel, they see. But very soon that ability is closed down. We wish for it to be fully open. For imagine the possibility, if you will, of an adult who has that childlike wonder within, open and receptive to the pure magic of life, to the exquisite beauty and interconnection, oneness, if you will, of all things, in a way that is so much more than you have as yet experienced. We so wish that you will accept our invitation and know that within this oracle, that this channel is co-creating with us, and we see it completed in this space of time being a dream, if you will. It is a complete and magical box of transmissions of heart light, the phase heart light, the animals, immense, beautiful fields of heart space, the beautiful Mother Nature and her exquisite messages from the forests, from the mountains, from the rivers, from the goddess Gaia herself. We are within this oracle, and this oracle is our gift to you. We know that those that choose to accept our invitation will benefit exponentially in ways that you cannot as yet imagine, as the magic bursts forth into your lives, as we shift your perspective and your perception, as this channel has talked about before, cleanse your lenses so you are able to feel, touch, taste, smell, experience the exquisite wisdom and beauty of this glorious planet that you inhabit, this being, this goddess. We are delighted, and I am privileged to be a part of this. It was always going to be so, and now is the perfect time. Come, take my hand. Take a walk with the guardians of nature.